Hey guys, here is a quick background info to this video. I'm currently working on my 1999 Fiat Siena 1.2 petrol, giving it a complete makeover both inside and out. The car was in storage for an extended period of time, say 3 years, so I wanted to make sure the old fuel in the tank is all drained out and the tank is all okay before attempting to start the engine. And I found this dirty residue combined with rust on the floor and walls of the tank. But please note that cleaning the fuel tank is not part of periodic maintenance, and you don't have to do this unless you have left the car with fuel for a while, say at least a couple of years, or you have already unscrewed the fuel pump and even the tank out of the car for any related repairs. Because removing fuel tank is tedious and requires proper tools. We don't have to do this often. Moreover, rust in fuel tank of a regularly used car is not that common, but in certain cases where fuel used is of poor quality or contaminated with water or dust particles may cause rusting over the course of time. So to clean the fuel tank, I poured some amount of good quality NC thinner, a commonly available paint thinning solvent. I then shook the tank all sides and upside down to evenly spread the thinner and rinse the side walls including the top side. The thinner will evaporate quickly, so you may have to do this multiple times to get the rust out. You can also add some kerosene to the thinner to slow down the evaporation process. The next step is to clean the tank with water and liquid dishwash soap. Scrubbing does help, either with soap or even with the thinner or kerosene. Once all visible rust and residue is out, blow dry the tank completely, including the side walls and vapor hoses. Let it dry for a few hours, preferably in bright sunlight. You can also pour some more thinner or kerosene into the dry cleaned tank and let it dry completely. If in case you still find some heavy rusting inside the tank, repeat the entire process once again the next day. Make sure the tank is all clean and completely dry before fitting onto the car or even adding fuel into the tank.